The pre-reading activity teaches learners the skill of prediction. First, the teacher shows learners the title and cover and asks learners to predict what they think the story is about. Next, the teacher takes the learners through every picture in the story, asking them what they think is happening in each picture. It is important for the teacher to help learners to connect the pictures and to work out what the whole story is about. In this way, the learners develop comprehension skills before reading the story. They are learning to think about the story, even as they look at the pictures. Watch as reading coach Lungi Batala works with grade 3 learners from Sitanani Primary School to demonstrate the pre-read activity.
Grade 3s, if you hear me, clap once, clap twice, clap 3 times. Let's fold our arms. Well done, grade 3s. Now, grade 3s, if you remember, our theme for this week is making mistakes. Ukwenza amaphutha. All right. So we are going to read a story from the big book, a story about someone who makes a mistake. Okay. All right. First, what we're going to do first is what we call a prediction. We're going to predict the story using the pictures from the story. When we predict, we're just thinking about, we're guessing about what is going to happen. All right, so the title of our story is Jabu Scrambles Eggs. All right, so I want you to look at this picture carefully for me. And tell me, what do you see in the picture? Anything that you see.
I see houses.
You see houses. Okay, we've got 1 and 2. Is this a house? Do you think this is a house as well? You think it's a house? What do you think this is?
It's a church.
Is it a church? Okay, she thinks it's a church. We don't know. We will hear in the story if it's really a church. Thank you for that answer. What else do you see, my baby?
I see the 2 dogs.
What are these dogs doing?
They are running.
They're running. Okay, there's something big happening in this picture that you are all not talking about. There's a big picture there. No one is talking about it. Do you want to give it a try, Sipho?
I see Jabu carrying eggs.
Do you think this boy is Jabu? Okay, so you think this boy's name is Jabu. Why do you think this boy is Jabu? What do you want to say, Ndando?
Because the title of the story starts with Jabu's name.
Okay, so you think because the title says Jabu scrambles eggs, so this boy might be Jabu. I like how you think. Okay, we are going to hear when we read the story, but let's go with the pictures.